On MyHaulotte, we can use a serial number or your asset number to look up parts fitted onto the machine. We can use the advanced search bar to the left here, or use the search bar at the top. Let us put in our serial number or asset number and press enter or click the search tool. It is good practice to do this way so you know you have the right model. Click on the model to continue. The number in the parts list shows how many parts are linked to the serial number of the machine and be part of your search criteria. Let us do a search for something simple, like a joystick. Type in your part description and press enter. Here is the search result, which is the joystick. It shows the quick information you may require to place an order. You can click on the item to go to more detail if required. Let us search for something a bit more complicated, like a sensor. Typing in sensor as a search will look for any description on the build list of the machine. If the item, in this case the sensor, is part of a bigger item, in this case the drive motor, it'll show us as a daughter part. Click on the item to move to the assembly. This will show the assembly and all the parts available for this assembly, which are called daughter parts. By the daughter parts listing, it shows 2 sensors to the drive motor. With that, you can proceed to order what you require or follow up with your technicians for the correct item.